Take a look at how FBO Director operates with QuickBooks Online. So I needed to make some changes in my accounting and my products today, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to make that video to show you that changes are being made live and in real time. I'm first going to go into QuickBooks Online and go to Products and take a look at the Products and Services list. Here's that list. I have an item here called FlightBridge Add-on, and if you note, there's no sales description for FlightBridge Add-on. So we should expect to see that update when I import data. I'm going to go into FBO Director, Configuration, Products, Manage Products. I will search for flight. I type in the word flight. I've already typed in the new description that I want to appear, FlightBridge Add-on for non-platinum packages, and we'll save that. So to do an export from FBO Director, and this is what I do on a weekly basis to manage our accounting, go to Configuration, Import Export, Export to QuickBooks. I check the items that I want to export, and each time I do the same ones: chart of accounts, customers, items, and sales transactions, and click Submit. We scanned the database and built the IIF files that will be used, and they need to be downloaded so that you can import them from a local location. I usually download them to my downloads folder because I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to go ahead and download each of these files. And that's it for FBO Director. Now you may be curious as to the contents of those files, so let's just take a quick look. I'm going to go into the Downloads folder. Here's the items. On my Mac, the way things are set up, I need to rename this as a .csv file so that I can use my Excel program to import it. So I'm going to click it. You may be using Word or Excel or Office products, which is fine. I just choose to use a free program that's available open source. So I'm going to choose File, Open, Downloads, and then I save that as a CSV file. I'm prompted it'll be a tab delimited file, so just click OK, and here you go. This is the export file as it stands, ready to bring into QuickBooks. And notice here, there's our FlightBridge item. I'm going to go ahead and rename this back to what it was. And you don't have to go through these steps. I just wanted to capture this for the video, so it's there and archived. We cannot directly import to QuickBooks Online. We've built a tool that actually reads the data. It's available at QuickBooks-Link.Acinta, and what you'll have to do is connect your QuickBooks. You do that each time by clicking the button and then logging in if required. I've already logged in once today, so I did not have to repeat the process. I chose Select IIF File, Downloads, where I save the file, and I always start with the chart of accounts. Notice it's change colors, and you just click Send to QuickBooks. Once your file has imported, you'll have messages on the screen. I always read through them, so this is a good one. The account number 4700 already exists. There's some kind of duplicate, and it typically has to do with QuickBooks and some of their default accounts. We're available to help you troubleshoot that process and you work your way through it. I'm going to go ahead and import the items next. It doesn't matter what order you import files in, but I like to do accounts, then items. Typically I do customers last, and then I'll follow it up with the transactions. That captures all of the data. So look at that, 58 total records and everything was transferred. If I take a quick look, here's my items list in QuickBooks, and it may not have updated. It actually did not. It'll bring in new products at this point, and we have a release coming out with the updates as part of that. Next item would be customers, and you'll do the same. Just import your customers, and that'll bring in your new customers and brings that data over for you. And then finally, the last item that you're going to import would be your transactions. So that's the process and how it works. Once you've imported everything, there's a few things that I do between the two programs. I'll take a moment and demonstrate quickly. You can take out of this test data, I like to look at this year or this quarter to date or whatever it may be and run a sales by customer report. In QuickBooks, you're going to do the same thing, and you're going to run the sales by customer balance summary, sales by customer summary report. And you can run this for any period that you want to run it for, and then just take a look at what those numbers are and match the bottom line number over here with the bottom line number that you see in FBO Director.